Hi friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you an extremely easy 4-ingredient mango ice cream recipe that tastes delicious. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make mango ice cream. Here are the 4 simple ingredients: 2 ripe mangoes and 1 raw mango. Clean them and remove all the pulp. Using a grinder, make a really smooth paste. The color looks great. In this mango ice cream, we are not going to add any artificial colors. In a separate bowl, take about 400 ml of heavy whipping cream. Start blending it using an electric blender. Blend until it becomes nice and frothy, almost until the stiff peaks form. Now let's start adding the powdered sugar. You can also replace the powdered sugar with condensed milk. The heavy whipping cream has the consistency that we want. Now add the saffron strands and the freshly made mango pulp. Using a spatula, mix everything together. The color looks amazing, no artificial colors in this one. Now add some fresh mango cubes. These add an amazing texture to the mango ice cream. It is ready to be freezed. Transfer it in an airtight container. Super simple with just 4 ingredients. Refrigerate in the deep freezer for about 8 hours. The mango ice cream is ready. Let's scoop it out. As you have seen, with 4 simple ingredients and easy steps to follow, it comes out great every time. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.